Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we'll be installing a Hitch receiver guys on our Toyota Sienna here. That's a family van. Okay, and that's our Hitch. So if we need to pull a little bolt or something, we can always pull with it. Stay with us guys, this is the Hitch that we got. We have the links on our website as well. Specifically this one is 4,500 pound Hitch. Okay, you can see, and 675 on the ball. So that's pretty good rating. The car is rated, I think this model specifically, ours is a 3,500, which is enough. So we'll have the video about the wiring as well guys, another video. This one will be the Hitch receiver itself. So the one that we got now, okay, what we'll need to do, okay, right here we'll need to remove a few screws now that hold that plastic cover in place. Okay, and there is a few caps with a flathead screwdriver there as well. Okay, we'll see about those. Let's just go ahead and remove them. Oh, get them loose. And you can actually trim this one or remove it if you need to. According to the instruction, it gives you two options. You can remove that plastic piece later, or you trim it. But if you trim it, you have to cut it. Okay, and if those clips are spinning, you can just grab them with your fingers on the inside, and eventually it will drop out of there. Okay, we're gaining a little bit more now. Let's just try one more time. Okay, it came out. Okay, like that. And we need to do the rest, the same thing to the rest of them. Okay, we have those clips now that we need to remove. Okay, everywhere there you can see. Once you pull the outside piece, the middle piece will come out as well. It's not very complicated installation. Other vehicles are usually more complicated. This one is pretty simple design. We'll need to unhook the exhaust at one place. We'll show you where. We'll have a lot of videos guys, probably close to 200 videos on that generation Toyota Sienna from 2011 to pretty much current generation right now, 2017. There is just minor differences here and there on a few things. Okay, we have this one here as well now. It's coming out. Okay. And we just have one more in the middle there. We'll go ahead and remove that one and show you what we did so far. Okay. This is it. This is the plastic piece guys. Okay, right here. That we removed out of the vehicle. So this is guys the exhaust now. We have that okay rubber bushing there. Okay, so we need to get it out with the screwdriver out of there. We need to disconnect it that way. That way we can move it out of the way. And this one will be very tight. Need to get a small screwdriver to get in, and careful not to break it, because if it's an older one they do break sometimes. Just still holding a little bit on the back. Okay, it started coming out now actually a little bit. So I think we'll be able to do it without removing the exhaust. We almost got it out, but we actually want to try to see if we can do it without removing it. Because if you have a second person, I think you're able to do that. We'll remove the caps. Okay, where the hitch receiver will go. 3 of them on each side. You just unscrew those. This one is stuck a little bit. If you have, guys, dirt, sand, stuff like that, it's very possible that they're stuck and you need to spray some lubrication as well. And we have 3 more like that on the other side that we'll go ahead and remove just the same way as this one. Okay, you can see right there. And I'll show you, those are actually where the bolts will go. Okay, you can see on this side, 1 here, 2, 3, and 3 on the other side as well. Okay, this is the instructions right here, guys, and it's going to tell you about how to load your vehicle and all that stuff. Okay, more here, customer information, so you can read how to do all that stuff. Now we'll need to install a washer and a lock washer on each bolt, all 6 bolts that we have right here, and we'll be ready to install the hitch. Those in our case are with 19mm socket, and according to that manual we need to go 75 pound torque, but of course check your manual that comes with the hitch because it might be different. Okay guys, so we got the hitch in. All we have to do, grab on the exhaust, pull it to this side, okay, so you can get the hitch in and install a bolt. If you have one person holding the exhaust, you don't even have to remove it. Okay, and then we need one more after that. So we have 3 bolts on this side, 3 on the other one. Okay, this one now, and we need to just get them tight. Okay guys, so we're using the torque wrench and we're using the specification that we have on our manual, and when you hear the click it means that we have enough torque on the bolt and it will be good. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, that's it right there. And this one here now. Okay, that's why we need to pull the exhaust a little bit to the side. That's the only downside of not removing the exhaust, but it's not very complicated, to be honest with you. Okay, and this one we already got tight on the front, and all we have to do the same thing to the other side, the same 3 bolts. So there is no exhaust on this side. It's pretty easy. Just make sure that you hold the wrench good, not to hit yourself in the head. Okay, that's it. One is ready. 2 more to go. Okay, almost there on the second one. Okay, and just getting the last one done, guys. And this is the hitch receiver. That's what it looks like on the car. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and check out how we're going to install the wires as well in the next video. See you. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.